I just want to randomly just maybe pull out some properties and to see, is there really a difference between 3 year and 4 year? And you can see that there's so many different properties type that we can choose from. Okay, let's look at High Park Residences, and we can actually go into the details of this High Park to do an analysis of what it does. So for High Park Residences, it TOP in 2019. Alright, 2019, this is of course in Fernville District 28 in the OCR area, 1,339 units. So I want to kind of filter it off based on their profitability. Okay, of course, this is across the board. That means this is across all the different type, 1 bedroom all the way to 5 bedroom, just to see what's their percentage like. So what I'll do is, first of all, I will filter it off based on their early date, which is 2015. That's when the date of the purchase of the buyer. And when they sell, what's their holding period? We will scroll it all the way here to see our holding period. So we don't want to look at anything beyond 5 years. We just want to see, let's say, a 3 year and 4 year mark. Does it make any difference? So if let's say we go all the way down, you can see you have 6 years holding period, 7 years holding period, 8 years holding period, 9 years holding period, 5 years holding period, 6 years, you see. So this is where we will start tabulate based on holding period. So if you can see, if let's say it's talking about 3 years, 3 years they are hovering about maybe 6%, some of them 4%, depending on the dates that they started off. But the 4 year period is also about 4%, some of them even 5%. So this also gives us an indication that actually for 3 year and 4 year mark, right, the differences is not going to be too much of a difference. Of course, they're ranging from 1 bedroom all the way to 4 bedroom type. So these are the differences. So let's just say that, okay, let's say I just randomly just select Urban Vista. Okay, very convenient to the MRT. And from here, let's take a look at the filter. All right, this is a 2016, so relatively young property. And if you take a look at their profitability, we can actually open up and let's just see let's view every transaction. And we start off with their 2013 year. So if you can see, they have ranging from 10 years, 9 years. So we just want to go down all the way to the younger years property. You can see the 3 year, 4 year, overall also about 4 to 5% range in terms of their profitability. So this also tells us that, hey, today is really the holding period that is going to make a huge difference. So if let's say I choose this Jet Residences, which I was doing some research recently, this was a 2017 property, freehold, reasonable size, 171 units. But if you look at the profitability right now, right, for the last 5 years, right, we just want to do a simple track and see how is it forming. So same thing, we will just filter it off to 2013, which is the start date of the purchase. And if we look at the holding period, let's just find the 4 year and 5 year mark. You can see their percentage of holding can be like less than 3%, even 2% or 0.07% kind at the bottom, right? If the holding period is not a key indicator, then why is it that even for properties like this, you're holding on to 7 years, 8 years, 9 years, their percentage is even quite lousy, less than 5%, less than 3% even sometimes, okay? And these are all annualized gains.